Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Booyah! A 2026 KZ Connect, model number 271RL. So let's get started. The length on this Connect is 31 feet, 1 inch. The dry weight is 6,640 pounds with a hitch weight of 790 with a GVWR of 8,800 pounds.
Yes, guys, we love to bring the KZ products to you guys, and this 26 model looks absolutely amazing. Love what they have done to the front cap here.
We were just thinking, a lot of people don't bring the Connects to the channel. To their channel.
Yeah,
so.
A lot of people have never even heard of them. If you followed us for any length of time, you know that we actually own a Connect. Ours is a little older model, but it has been a wonderful travel trailer. Right up front, you are going to have a power tongue jack. Your propane's going to go here behind that cover, and y'all, my lips are frozen. Okay, and batteries will go right there.
Kuya!
Nice big pass-through storage area. You see that it is pre-wired for solar. Your docking station is actually out here. It is locked. I'm sorry we can't show that one to you.
But that's just where you can hook your city water up.
Right there, yes. You have got a dump area right there. And
where are the pools?
they
are under here, under the frame.
the
frame.
Yeah, up in there.
Yeah.
So, all right, and this is going to have a rack and pinion slide. Now the Connects have got really cool graphite colored stripe there and a gold stripe. Looks really cool. Back here you're going to have your spare. You do have a receiver hitch. This is going to be for an accessory rack only. They do give you a ladder to access your roof, and it is going to be prepped for a backup camera. Looking down your campsite, your awning is going to be 20 feet. So
Covers almost the entire thing.
yeah, going to have a nice coverage there. Ooh, the sun's bright on this side.
Oh, wow, yes.
Yeah, so you have a nice little mini fridge.
And a little pull out.
And I'm shivering out here. I am not designed for cold weather, okay? And then your grill. Love it, love it. Got your tires down here.
Tankless water heater.
Right up there. Yes, it is. And we apologize if there's any wind noise, but our microphones decided to die on us, so we're having to depend on just our regular mic here. It is going to be prepped for the tire link. You got a light there, and then your light for your front cap.
Also want to point out real quick,
Power stabilizers.
VAL
frames on this.
NXG frames, so there you go.
And we can attest that they are very good.
Yeah. All right, get in there before you start freezing.
Ooh, I'm about to freeze.
And if you like these videos where we get out in 30-degree weather and bring you these campers, subscribe to the channel.
Yes, we know we have a bunch of you that are watching that haven't subscribed, so come on, help us out just a little bit. We would really, really appreciate it.
Wow.
I have cheated on this one, and I have turned the fireplace on.
And it is on.
And it is on. All right, let's start back here at the back. You've got this really nice, great big window, and you're going to have a dinette right under it.
Oh.
This will make into some additional sleeping if you have some kids with you. Storage up above it. These windows are going to open.
Ah.
Yeah, and then you've got storage underneath with these pull-out totes. KZ does put the heating in the floor.
Oh.
Oh, no pull-out tote on that side. Well, you have one on the other side.
All right,
now,
there you go.
Yeah, just coming in, so your pantry's going to be right there at the door. Which, you know, that might not be a bad idea if you're sitting outside watching TV and you want a snack. You just have to step right in there and grab it right out of the pantry. Now, the open area down here at the bottom, we were just looking at that. You know, if you're a little bit handy, you could put one of those wire pull-out drawers in there and be able to access all of that one.
KZ, there's a
little
suggestion
little
there.
hint for you there.
We know they watch our stuff.
Well, they should. We own their product, so. Anyway, right up here you are going to have a super nice 40-inch TV. It's going to be above this wonderful countertop area. So,
oh, wow.
Yeah, and then you've got some great storage under there. Right above this super nice electric fireplace that has some lighting underneath it. There's not solid surface in the Connect. It does help keep the weight down on this. But this is a really great looking countertop. Moving on into the kitchen area, you've got 3 drawers right there, and then an extra one underneath your oven. So this is going to give you the 3-burner cooktop with the oven. Storage up here on the sides of your microwave. And I love that Envision hood vent.
Hood range.
Range hood. Which way do you say it? I don't know.
Hood range.
And then over here, I have a great shot of the back of your head.
Sorry, I'll get out of the way.
So this is super nice storage. I love that it's all open and there's not a divider in the middle, so you can get your wider dishes and plates and things up there. Nice big single basin sink with a high-rise faucet. And then a nice space underneath. Plenty of room for your garbage can. But if you prefer to have the nice ones that you step on, you can actually put it at the end of your counter there. But great.
You know what I'd do?
Yes, we would have one that pulls out.
Yep.
Because we like to do stuff like that. KZ does put their vents in the floor. It's fine. They work great. We just actually finished up our last camping trip for the season. Turned our little furnace on for the one time that we turn it on a year, and it worked wonderful.
Worked great.
12-volt compressor fridge. This is going to be in your slide out. Super nice 3-cushion sofa. It's going to recline on the ends, and then you have a giant armrest. So lots and lots of cup holders. Love that it is heated and looks like you've got massage and light. Very nice. Nice big window back there. I don't know, just I'm going to tell you, we are jealous of these because this one, the ceiling height is higher than ours. So yeah, we are a little envious here. They do have AC unit in here and a great light package. So let's go down and look at the rest of it. Hey, with the heat on, it is a balmy 51 degrees in here. Woo! No wonder I can't feel my toes.
Really sharp.
Yes, really nice. Now, Jeremy is 6 feet tall. This looks like a 30 by 36 shower.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
It is. It is just exactly like ours. Has the retractable shower door, which is super nice. There is a little bit of a step up getting into the shower. You're going to have a porcelain foot flush toilet, and I know there's some heating somewhere.
Back here.
There it is, right over there. You've got some storage underneath the sink. Actually, pretty good area around your sink. There is not a medicine cabinet on this one, but you have a backlit mirror. But, as you can see in the mirror, you have a medicine cabinet over here. We can't give this bathroom the golden plunger because there is no designated linen closet. But you do have a shelf here. Not really sure what you'd put on that shelf because it looks awfully close to the bottom here. But
pretty sharp. I wish we had one in our camper.
yeah, it is a nice shelf though.
You got a screwdriver? No.
No. But I mean, pretty decent area. I mean, it's not a huge bathroom, but it's gonna work. But you do have a nice window right in front of it. All right, let's move back here into the main bedroom. This is going to give you a king size bed in here. That is actually standard on the Connects. So looks like they have gone to a little bit smaller windshield.
Yeah.
This year, which actually I'm glad. You know, the windshields can be a source of heat
Yes.
So I like that they did the smaller one, and it looks like it's double pane from what I can tell. Don't hold me to that, but that's what it looks like. They do give you reading lights up here. You've got power on both sides. You've got some shelves back there. So, excuse me, guys. Great place to put your glasses or your phone. Then you're going to have these hanging areas on both sides. And there is a nice big open shelf across the top. Now this unit is going to have the second AC, which is a nice feature. And I'm going to let him show you this closet.
I never in my entire life. How about this? You can use it for, of course, hanging clothes, or you can put
Looks like
a combo unit. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Because there's your, yeah, you can put a combo unit. And you've got power up there on the ceiling. All right.
And for those who like to add an extra TV, your connections are right up there above the window. I'm not exactly sure where you would mount it.
Wow.
It's a little awkward place, but that's where it's wired to. Now this, we're also a little bit jealous of the way that they've done the storage underneath the bed. I love that they give you a combination of drawers and open space.
Open, I like that.
That is very, very nice. I do think they have listened to some customers wanting better storage solution under there, and that's great. Let me back up and show you where the fuses are. They're right there just in case you need them. So if you happen to be traveling and you need to get to your fuses, that's where they are.
And you may not be able to get to them.
You might not. I don't know exactly how far that slide's going to come in. It does look like it might cut off your access. We'll just find out.
I'm just going to find out real quick.
Yep. All right, let's see what this is going to do. Oh, sorry guys, it is going to cut off your access.
All of it.
Ooh, yeah, it is going to cut it all off.
Yep.
So, unfortunately, if you need to stop to use a restroom, you're going to have to find a Buc-ee's.
Oh my gosh, we don't get to show this much, but I am so glad we got to do this. Because a lot of people ask us, you know, we'd like to see what the slides look like. Well, we don't work for any of these companies.
Yes.
So
sometimes we don't have the means to bring the slides in.
yeah, but hey, glad we got to show this. All right, everybody, if you like this KZ Connect, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us. That's right, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.